name's Trevor Mask. I'm from Kitchener, Ontario. I own a tooling business as well as I'm a part-time personal trainer.
Great, thank you. What's your age, please?
Oh, 48.
48. Okay. How did you injure your shoulder? How did it end up being frozen?
I believe it was when I was doing shoulder presses with very heavy weight,
Okay.
which I know now it's not a good thing to do.
How long ago was that?
4 years ago.
Yeah. How did you come to find us?
Luck.
Luck.
I went to 8 doctors, physio, chiro, massage, osteopath. Osteopath is probably the closest thing that helped, but still didn't, obviously didn't fix it.
Yeah.
And the last doctor I went to, the sports doctor, he's the one that said it was frozen shoulder. So then I Googled how to fix frozen shoulder and it came up.
All right. And how long a journey was that? Was that straight after that injury that you had when you did the shoulder presses for the last 4 years, or have you only just started, having those treatments?
No, I've had treatments for the last 4 years.
Okay. How would you describe the experience that you had when you first contacted us to now?
Excellent. It's straightforward, explained everything in great detail, and with the success rate, that's what made me want to do this.
Okay,
yeah.
That's good. All right, what difference is it going to make to you in your life now, straight away, after having that procedure?
Not having to worry about even flicking a light switch, because sometimes I'll just flick a light switch and a week, it hurt for a week. Putting on jackets,
Yes.
toweling off,
Yes.
reaching for a glass.
Yes.
This I'm always.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you met someone that was in the same state as you and trying to decide what they should do, what would you say to them?
If you're in major pain, this is the best thing to do, for sure, 100%. Like my range of motion right now is just, compared to when I came in here, it's incredible.
It is incredible.
And the pain after this treatment this morning is 50% less.
That's